Hi there, this is Jamie from Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and easy heart. And for this video, for the purpose of showing the tutorial, I'm going to use a super bulky yarn and a size 7 hook, crochet hook, but you can use any size yarn, any size hook that you'd like to make whatever size heart you want. So if you want something smaller like this was a size 4 yarn with a 4mm hook, but really it's up to you. So let's go ahead and get started. You're going to start with a magic circle, and if I'm going too quickly, please just pause the video and you can catch up as we go on. And if you're unfamiliar with anything in the video, I do have tutorials for these stitches and the magic circle, and I'll leave those in the description box below. So we're going to start with a magic circle. This is how I do mine. I'm sure that everybody has their own way. And we're going to chain 3. That's one chain for mine. And then you're going to chain 2 more. And from here we're going to do 3 treble crochets. Now if you're unfamiliar with a treble, you're going to yarn over twice. It's almost just like a double crochet. Yarn over twice, go in, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull, whoops, get that last one. And pull through 2 again. And we're going to do 2 more trebles. So go ahead and yarn over twice, pull through 2, and pull through 2 again. 1 more treble, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Now we're going to do 3 double crochets. This is all going into the magic circle. 1 double crochet. There's our second. And 1 more. After your 3 double crochets, you're going to chain 1, and we're going to do 1 treble. So remember, yarn over twice, go back in the same place, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2, and then chain 1. And we're just going to repeat what we did on the other side. So now it's time to do our 3 double crochets again. And if your loop feels too big, you can pull it a little bit to close it up some. So 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and there's our third. And now we're going to do 3 more trebles. So yarn over twice. Go through 2, go through 2, last 2. I'm going to pull this up a little bit, and then 2 more trebles we have to do. Last treble. And then to finish off, you're going to chain 3. Sorry, I have like a bite right here, and I know that doesn't look too appealing on camera. Okay, and we're going to slip stitch back into that center where we've been putting all the stitches. Make sure your stragglers out of the way. Slip stitch into the beginning. And there's your heart. So you go ahead and pull that string, the magic circle string, and then you can just take your scissors, let me grab mine here, cut your yarn. I always pull through like a chain here to secure it, and then you have your heart. And from there you can either leave the strings on if you want to hang it, or you can sew in the string ends to the back of the heart. But there you have it. It's very quick. I make these in about 1 minute on my own when I'm not recording, and yeah, you can use them for whatever you'd like. So I hope this video helped you. If you'd like to see anything other than hearts, please leave a comment below, and if this helped you, I'd love if you could give it a like, and if you'd like to subscribe, I'll be doing a lot more videos soon. Thank you so much.